Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you cute shoe hack and trust and press you need to try. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to use item from coats. I'm going to use the shoe and then I'm going to use shoe from the Madoka set, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to exit it first and let me get the third shoe. We can go to this area and then you can use this pink shoe. Okay, and let me match the color. Okay, I'm just going to color it white. You can go to the palette and I'm going to make it white, and then for this one as well I'm going to make it white. Okay, and then I'm going to color it pink, this pink. Okay, and then for this shoe from Madoka set, I'm going to color it pink. Okay, let me color them pink, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that is so cute and you need to try this hack. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cute shoe and dress and press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.